guy, Boris Yeltsin, and I'm back in Mombasa, Nyali, in a 3-bedroom all-ensuite, 312 square meters. And this is in the market for only 26.5 million. It's 3-bedroom all-ensuite plus a SKU. And I like how spacious this property is, but then I would like to begin my tour from this side of the property, which is the entry foyer. And this entry foyer has something very meaningful. What is it? It's this door. It's a Hardwood door, very huge and very, very strong, all right, and very durable. On the right-hand side, this becomes your powder room. And what I like about the powder room is it has this sink and a vanity and a huge mirror, and I like everything that is happening around this space. Now, this walkway into your powder room with the toilet and the sink and a vanity again and a smart mirror. But then, the most beautiful thing is the height of the ceilings, is the height of the doors, is the height of the space. Mombasa boasts a lot of, space when it comes to property. And that is what I'm experiencing right now. But then, it's my first time seeing a powder room with an entry foyer. Amazing. Look at the sink. This is all cola. Tiles are high-end. When I say high-end, what do I mean? What I mean is these are highly durable tiles. All right, let's go this side. Look at the skirting. This is woodwork, serious hardwood on the skirting. It's not tiles. On the floor, I have huge tiles on the floor. And then the space here is something that you can avoid. And here is the demarcation of the lounge and the kitchen. And as usual, I'll always begin my right-hand side because this is my sure side. My lucky side is always on the right-hand side. This becomes your lounge. Amazing. Look at the skirting, beautiful color tones. It's a beautiful contrast in between the color of the skirting and the color palette on the wall. Feels very, very high-end. But then, I also like the simplicity of this unit. Very simple. No hanging chandeliers everywhere. It's a flat ceiling with some LED strip lights, with some spotlights that have been placed symmetrically. And that is something you don't get to see mostly in the market right now. And this is the new way. Flat ceilings, simplicity is luxury. It's class. The space in this lounge is just enough. Fits your entire furniture plus your neighbor's furniture would fit in this space. And that is something I do like. On the left side, it's your dining area. The dining area fits comfortably 8 seats and still gives you space to walk around. That is something rarely find. You only find in this residence right now, it's 3 bedrooms plus a SKU. It's 312 square meters. And I am in Nyali right now. This is Nyali, Mombasa. This is where the elite would stay. If not here, it's Vipingo. But then this fits anybody who wants to get a 3-bedroom. You want to be, you want ease of accessibility to the CBD, to the airport, to SGR, to blah, blah, blah. This is where you find it. But then if you have big monies to chop, you can shift to Vipingo. But this is the thing. Let me switch to this side. I want to show you something. I still feel the space in between. There is too much space in this property. You know us, we're based in Nairobi, but now we're moving into Mombasa. And this feels very strange to me. The space in this property is something that I can't really assume. It's something that is noticeable. I want to go straight through my French window, into the balcony. Look at the balcony. It's a rare offering. You walk around the market, you don't get this kind of size of balcony. Most of the times, you only find balconies to this point. But then this is twice the size. How about the length? It's so lengthy. Maybe my guy would push back. Just go back. Let me show you how lengthy this thing is. Look at this. All this is your balcony, and this developer is almost sold out. And then the good thing is, we're beginning on a project on the right-hand side. Every space has been given enough space. The lounge, the dining, the balcony. Look at the French window, it's so huge. Let me take you in, show you what you have on the other side, which is also amazing, and you guys will love it. The kitchen comes the way it is. Very spacious with a kitchen island. And I like this panel lighting. Very simple yet classy still. Many of you are asking, Boris, what's happening? What's happening is I got a chance to experience luxury in Nyali. And this is, for sure, luxury. You got a kitchen island that fits 1, 2, 3 seaters, and therefore you can easily have breakfast here. You can have quick breakfast. You can have, lunch with the kids here as you have fun, as you cook, as you bake. This is the place to enjoy that. And I will start from that side. All right. This becomes your other side of the kitchen. Look at the kitchen countertops. You have all these as your countertop as well as the other side. Even the island still serves us as a kitchen countertop. A provision for a 5-burner cooker, but then it doesn't come with this. A provision for your extractor, but then again it doesn't come with this. But then what does it come with? It comes with enough cabinetries on the top as well as on the lows. The tile is still consistent. Huge tiles with a hue of brown on the beige, which looks really amazing, sexy, yet trendy. On the left-hand side, still cabinetry as well as countertop. This becomes your window that brings in natural light into your kitchen. I closed it because I'm shooting. I don't want a lot of natural lighting. Mombasa is full of light. The beach is white. And therefore, a lot of light is reflected into your property. And trust me, I'm not so far away from the beach. I'm a stone throw away from the beach. If I chose to walk, it would take me around, say, 2 minutes into the beach. On the left, oh my goodness, on the left-hand side behind me is still your sink. Very huge sink, so deep and stainless. All right. This side, look at the backsplash, beautiful backsplash, which of course brings in the beauty of this kitchen. I love the glass cabinetry and the way it's staged. Comes with this microwave as well as the oven. All this cabinetry for storage, but then it doesn't come with this fridge, but a provision for your fridge. Another detail, come close, look at this. This demarcation comes with the house. It shows where the kitchen ends and where it begins. From this side. All right, are you guys ready? All right, enough about the kitchen and enough about the lounge, plus the dining, plus one of the most huge balconies on the other side, the entry foyer and the powder room. I mean, on the other side is your laundry area, and I don't know, Fabian, do you think we should show them right now or we can proceed and show them later? Later? Amazing, so that's all about this side, but then your SQ is detached. Is on the outside, but then if your guy wants to access the house from the SQ, they can just connect through that door or this door. The laundry is in between the SQ and the kitchen. I will show you once I'm done with the bedrooms. This becomes the hallway that takes you into the bedroom side. This becomes my first bedroom. All the bedrooms are en suite. Standing here, I still appreciate the height of the ceilings. It's highly raised, and therefore there is enough air circulation, more fresh air. It doesn't feel hot in this room. All right, let's go into your first bedroom. The bedroom feels very spacious. This is not a primary suite. It's my first bedroom. It could be our guest bedroom. The windows are so huge. The height is still consistent. I love the simplicity of the ceilings. But then something to appreciate is you get a provision for your AC on the other side. Every room has it. But all this wall for your TV, for your study area, for blah, 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 would fit very well on this space. The space in this is just unimaginable. It's too much. On the right-hand side, it's your closet. It begins from here all the way to the other end. But then the most beautiful thing is how simple the staging has been done. I like the choice of the pendant lighting. I also like the woody tones and the off-white on the wall. Looks very classy and chic. And this is something we cannot overlook. This space has been left here. If anybody wants to put some caution and convert this into, say, a day bed, you can just convert it, just chill here and, just enjoy the views, blah, blah, blah. You can do that. All right? You can even put decors here if you want to. You can place your coffee maker here and fix coffee from the bedroom. This is a functional space that has been left for those who are creative, just like you and Boris himself. Come this way, come on, come this way. I want to show you something amazing. On this wall, you get a smart mirror which has got light around it, which illuminates it nicely, drawers, and enough storage in these spaces. It's so deep, it's very high-end, and I do like it. I want to show you how the washrooms look like. Sorry guys, my guy is trying to fix something up here. The property is under construction, that's why we get to hear a lot of, hammering and blah, blah, blah. But then don't bother. Walk with me, let's get to see our first washroom. The washroom begins from here. You got a sink, a vanity, a smart mirror, and all this space for your washroom. The toilet sits here, more space around it, and a bidet over here. And more of a nook where you can just place your stuff in this washroom. The shower cubicle is on the left-hand side. More space inside it, more lighting coming in, and the height is also something that I do appreciate in this washroom. Look at where the shower cubicle is, look at where the toilet is, and look at where the vanity and the smart mirror is. All that is your washroom for your guest bedroom. Let me show you how the second bedroom looks like. It's spacious, it's beautiful, and trust me, you must love it. On the left hand side becomes my second bedroom. It's still en suite and fits twin beds. Now this bedroom has a lot of space in it. The closet is on the left hand side. The mirror comes with the closet. The lighting comes with the closet. It's deep, it's wide, it's high end, and I do like it. In front of me, it's a Juliet balcony. You open your French window, get into your Juliet balcony, and enjoy the green views of the Nyali neighborhood. This is the finer Nyali. It's not the Nyali that you know. It's the finer Nyali where there is no much traffic. It's, well maintained. It's clean roads, and I do like it. It's easily accessible. On the left-hand side becomes my washroom. But then, before I even get into my washroom, you also appreciate the space around the bedroom itself. It's very, very spacious. Let me take you into my washroom. All right, so this washroom's a bit different. It's organized in a linear arrangement. So therefore, the sink is here, the toilet is there, and the shower cubicle is on the other side. Something to notice is each and every washroom has its different type of tile. This has a different shade. This has a different orientation. This has a different style. So you get your mirror, your sink, you get a vanity, a toilet in between, a bidet, a shower cubicle, and this backsplash, and this nook as well. You also get a rain shower head and beautiful fittings in your washroom. That's all about my second washroom, which is something iconic. And then guys are like, Boris, where is the master bedroom? The master bedroom is on the other side. If you're patient, I'll get to show you just in a bit. On the left-hand side, this becomes our master bedroom. It's still en suite. Come with me. It's tucked away. It's placed on its own position. It has an entry foyer, and I do like it. I'm confused. Should I go right or left? But then again, I think it's in order to show you what's in the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, it's our bedside area. The left-hand side has our nook that you can fit an accent chair just to beautify the space. On the left-hand side is all this space that you get to enjoy with your partner or by yourself. Many of our clients are buying this place a lot and have very few remaining on this property. On the left-hand side becomes your balcony. The balcony is not your typical balcony. It's a triangular balcony. It's stylish, it's trendy, it's not common. Look at that. It's very huge and gives you an angle overview to the ocean when you go up. Amazing. You get a space for your bedside drawers, and then you also have these windows, side windows. Let me show you just a snippet of it. You get all these windows besides the bed. How about that? So therefore, you've got a lot of natural lighting flowing into your bed. Let me open this side just for you to also appreciate how beautiful this has been designed for people like you who have worked so hard and want something high-end, something fine, something done for the chosen few. Look at that. The lights is just something to behold. The ceiling is flat, simple. I've got only 4 spotlights. Look at the LED strip light. I mean, it's very simple, and I do like it. What this developer has really focused on is the finishes, so clean, the design, the style. It's something I would pay even 27 million to buy this. It's worth it. Come with me, let me show you what the closet has to offer. On the left-hand side is still your closet. And the closet has enough storage spaces. All right? You have got all these shelvings, all these spaces, all this mirror, all this glass cabinetry with a built-in light fixture runs all the way to brighten this space. It's very spacious. All right? On the right-hand side becomes your master washroom, or say a primary washroom. Now, this primary washroom has two sinks for his and hers, as well as the tiling is something different from what you've seen all around. Let's go in there to appreciate what these guys have done on this washroom. And then it's not only about this side, it's about the space that flows into the other side as well. And then you have all this niche here that has its light provision. Look. There's all that light that bounces on the wall, looks very ambient. You have all this nook, a rain shower head, more space in the shower cubicle and the drainage, and the space is just beautiful. This listing is in the market. It's 312 square meters, selling at 26.5 million, but then I would buy it for 27 million. It's in Nyali, all right? It's 3-bedroom, all ensuite. I want to show you where the SQ is. It's on the right-hand side. Come to me this way. Come this way. I also like the detail on the doors, very nicely chiseled, looks very stylish, and I do like it. It's sunken. It comes with this washing basin, all right? It also comes with this top that you can use to iron, blah, blah, blah. It also comes with a provision for your washing machine on the other side. It's perforated, and therefore there's enough aeration in this space. You just hang your clothes, and they dry from the sun rays. But then the beauty about all this is to make the building look tidy. Not those open balconies in your laundry area. It's perforated, and therefore you can get to see what's happening on this other side. It's enough space for your laundry area. In front of me, it's the SQ. The SQ begins from here, goes all the way to this point. This is your closet, and this side is your toilet. And that's it. And this side, this is the door that takes you out. Therefore, this SQ is semi-attached and semi-detached. You can easily access from both ends, from the other side as well as from the kitchen side. But then, this listing is still in the market from only 26.5 million. It's 312 meters square. It's in Nyali, MOMBASA. In case you are interested, the number has always been on your screen. And I will see you on my next episode. It's a guy, Boris Yasin, and they still call me the Wolf of Real Estate.